Cause we win in this place. We don't suck, no matter what anybody says. No, we beast. We killing it. We killing it. We killing it. We killing it. Me subs. I need more subs. I need more subs. I'm the best. Give me some.
God damn. Whose car is that? Just kidding, it's mine. Let's go.
So the car is down right now. I need my timing chains done. Thinking it's a guide. So I'm gonna order a kit and get that fixed up. So that's why it hasn't been any videos lately, but we're gonna do an unboxing today of something that you guys might really like. So with that said, let's get this guy up here. Some of you guys probably already know what it is just by looking at it. So take your guesses right now on what it might be. Anybody got any ideas? Here we go. Bracket. Sure you guys are getting an idea now. There's that. And over here we have, bam. That's right. Cobra brakes. Well, Cobra calipers. Or if you want to be technical, Bullet or Mach 1s. But yep. This beefy guy is going to go on the 2V. I'm going to paint it. What do you guys think about that? Real bad, huh? Let's see what kind of stopping power I get from this, because the stock brakes aren't that good. I was in a situation the other day where I was trying to stop all of a sudden on the freeway and I really couldn't. So I'm hoping this will fix it. I'm not going to do the other one just because it's the same thing, but yeah. I mean, what do you guys think? I think they're pretty badass. I got them at a really good price too. So, going to be painting these. Be on the lookout for that video. Up next, something a little of the same thing, really. So there's these guys. Can't get calipers without pads. My handy box opener, some keys, alright. Bam! Carbon ceramic disc brake pad, Max Advanced Brakes. And that's right. Some Cobra brakes. There's a braking procedure, don't forget, you guys. So yep, they're the pads. They look at me and I'm not going to take them out of the box here just because I don't want to make a mess. But there's that. I like the packaging on this too. It looks real professional. I like good packaging. It impresses me. Next up is the monster. Can't show you guys my address. Everybody on YouTube knows that. Ah, God. Again, good packaging. And I'm just gonna open up one of these bad boys, cause who wants to see all that? Ah, my jam. All right. So some big old 13-inch Cobra rotors. drilled and slotted to prevent cracking and some other benefits. So I mean, look at how big this is. Honestly, the stock GT rotor is way smaller. I'm hoping my wheels are gonna fit good. But I mean, just look at this monstrous thing. Shouldn't have any problem stopping. So yep, that's probably gonna do it for the video. Hope you guys are excited as I am for this, because I'm pretty stoked about this. Everyone's trying to go fast. I'm out here trying to stop fast. So yeah, these things are real heavy. Cannot wait to slap these on. Alrighty guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys got any tips or questions, just go ahead and post them down below. Thank you guys, and have yourselves a great night.